Today, let us discuss one of the basic concept of lipid profile test. Before discussing about lipid profile test, this is the basics to understand, that is what is lipid and the classifications of lipids. Lipids. Lipids are the organic substance organic chemical substance which is produced in our gastrointestinal tract, and these are insoluble in water. These are insoluble in water and these are highly soluble in organic compounds. Highly soluble in organic compounds. Example: benzene, alcohol, etc. These are the organic compounds like benzene and alcohol. These are the organic chemical substance, and these are insoluble in water, and these are soluble in organic compounds. If we discuss about the classification of lipids, these lipids are classified into four different types. First type is simple lipids. Second type is compound lipids. Whereas third one is derived lipids. Fourth one is miscellaneous lipids. These are the four different types of lipids, that is first one simple lipids, compound lipids or complex lipids, derived lipids and miscellaneous lipids. If we discuss about the compositions of these lipids, simple lipids consist of fatty acid plus alcohol. Fatty acid plus alcohol. These compound lipids consist of fatty acid plus alcohol plus any complexing agents, complex structures. This is about compound lipids. If we discuss about composition of derived lipids, it consists of group 1 and group 2. That is, this is group 1, it is group 2. It consists of group 1 and group 2. These miscellaneous lipids consist of, it possess the characteristic features of lipids. It will possess the characteristic features of lipids. Simple lipids consist of fatty acids plus alcohol. Compound lipids consist of fatty acids plus alcohol plus one complexing structures, and these derived lipids consist of group of first, that is simple lipids, and group 2 that is complex lipids. And miscellaneous lipids consist of, it will possess the characteristic features of lipids. If we discuss first one, that is simple lipids, the example for simple lipids is, first one is triacylglycerol. Triacylglycerol. Triacylglycerol is the first example. It is also called triglycerol, or it is also called neutron fat. It is also called neutral fat. This is the first example. And second example is waxes. Second example is waxes. These waxes consist of fatty acids plus cetyl alcohol. Fatty acids plus cetyl alcohol. This is examples of simple lipids. If we discuss examples of complex lipids, first example is phospholipids. Phospholipids. These phospholipids consist of fatty acid plus alcohol plus any complex structure, that is nitrogen base plus phosphate ion. Fatty acid, alcohol, nitrogen base plus phosphate ion. This is about composition of phospholipids. These phospholipids are again classified as two forms. First one is glycerophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids. Here, the glycerol will be act as alcohol. Glycerol will be acting as alcohol. Examples: lecithin, cephalin. Lecithin and cephalin are the examples. This is the first step, that is glycerophospholipids, and second one is sphingorophospholipids. Second type is sphingorophospholipids. In this type, the sphingolin is a special structure which will act as alcohol. Example: sphingomycin. Example: sphingomycin. This is the first type, that is phospholipids, and second one is glycolipids. Second example is glycolipids. Second one is glycolipids. These glycolipids composed of fatty acids plus alcohol plus carbohydrates plus nitrogen base. Fatty acid plus alcohol plus carbohydrate plus nitrogen base. Examples: cerebrolids, and ganglionids. Cerebrolids and ganglionids are the examples of glycolipids. And third type is lipoproteins. These lipoproteins consist of chylomicrons, high density lipoproteins, low density lipoproteins, very low density lipoproteins. These are the examples. And fourth type is sulfolipids. And fifth one is aminolipids. These are the 5 different types of examples which can be discussed under compound lipids. This is about compound lipids. If we discuss about the derived lipids, it consists of monoacylglycerol, diacylglycerol, cholesterol, steroids, alkaloids, etc. Derived lipids are like monoacylglycerols, diacylglycerols, alkaloids, cholesterols, steroids, etc. Whereas triacylglycerol is a simple lipids. Now coming to the fourth one, that is miscellaneous lipids. These miscellaneous lipids examples are carotenoids and squalene and terpene, etc. These are the examples of miscellaneous lipids, that is carotenoids, squalenes, terpenes, etc. This is first one, this is second one, and this is third one, this is fourth one. These are the classifications of lipids.